Hello and welcome back to VA Wonder. Today I'm answering a question from one of you. Can you add a submit button in Canva and link it to Sheets? The short answer is no. Canva can't create a true submit function as yet, but you can create a clickable button inside your PDF that sends the user to a form, an upload page, an email, or even a Google form that feeds into Sheets. And today I'll show you exactly how to set it up. First, open your original Canva form design. We're going to add a fake but functional submit button. And if you would like to know how to create a form like this, check out this video next. Add a rectangle. Give it your brand color and type submit or send form on top. This is just a clickable hotspot. It will not auto-submit anything from your PDF, but it will send users where you want them to go. Select the button. Click the link icon. You have three options here depending on how you want your users to submit. To add your email address to this button, type mail to : your email address with no spaces in between. If you would also like to add a subject line to the email that you will receive, type in the following. Let's click on this pencil to edit the link. Then type mail to : your email, ? subject equals, and then the subject line, for example, submitted form. I will leave both these codes for you in the description box so that it's easy to copy and paste. For the Google Form option, create a quick Google form and then connect it to Google Sheets. If you would like me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this click by click, let me know in the comments below. Now, copy the URL link of your submission form and link it to your button in Canva. Now, for option 3 and currently the closest to a real submit button that Canva allows. This works if you have a website where you have a file upload possibility. If you would like me to show you how to do this in a WordPress site, let me know in the comments below. Create your submissions page with the file upload button. Copy the URL. Now come back to Canva and link this URL to your button. I would suggest that you add a little note above this button to remind the participant to save the file to their computer after they've filled it in. To export your file, we have to save it as a PDF or your clickable button won't work. So click Share, Download, choose PDF Standard, and remember to choose your page. PDF Print also works, but Standard keeps the file size manageable. I will do this now for all 3 submission pages that we have used so far in this tutorial. Let's first test our option 1 for email. When we hover over the submit button, we can see the mail to link that we have added. When I click the link, my email opens up with the mail to address as well as the subject line inserted. Now your participant can attach the form and send it to you. For option 2, the Google form, we can see the form link that we have added when we hover over the submit button. When I click the button, the Google form opens up in the browser. Google Forms automatically pipes all the responses into Google Sheets, so your Canva button sends users to the Google form. They fill it out and Sheets captures everything. For option 3, the website submission, we can see the page link that we've added to our button when we hover over the submit button. When I click the link, the submissions page opens up. Now your participant can upload their form directly to your site. That's how you create a functional submit button inside a Canva PDF. It won't submit text fields directly. Canva simply doesn't support that yet, but this is the cleanest and most professional workaround. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.